Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to check out how to connect Bluevine with Gusto for payrolls. If you already use Gusto for payroll, you can link it with Bluevine to streamline employee payments and record keeping. Here's how to do it. First step is to go to Gusto and log into your accounts. Then go to settings, bank accounts. There you're going to select add new bank accounts. Now just enter your Bluevine routing and account numbers. You can find that in your Bluevine dashboard. And once that's done, Gusto will send 2 micro deposits into your Bluevine account within 1 to 2 business days. Check your Bluevine transaction history for the deposit amounts, and then return to Gusto and enter the micro deposit amounts to verify the accounts. Once verified, you can set up Bluevine accounts as the default funding source for payroll. This connection ensures payroll runs smoothly and all payments flow directly through your Bluevine accounts. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.